can point out the upward movement. That's why we open our long positions. And our position are in profits. We got $8,250 on our balance. By the way, we Greetings fellow traders, my name is Ted Trader and I'm here to guide you through the world of binary options trading. I'll be sharing the most effective and profitable strategies to help you succeed. If you're new to the scene and lack experience, join to my closer Telegram groups where I provide free signals with a 90% accuracy rate. Social trading is also an option, perfect for those who have limited time and can't constantly monitor their trades. Simply copy my moves and make profitable deals without needing to be at your computer or phone. Don't forget to watch video in full, hit the subscribe button, like and leave a comment. By doing so, you'll be automatically turned into $300 draw, where 3 lucky subscribers will each win $100 from me. Let's begin our journey together and make some profits. Here we go, guys. Let's begin our trading session. Now I got $166 on my balance. Let's put down the maximum trade amount and make some good money today. As always, we're gonna open positions on a 1 minute time frame, so let's get started, guys, and pick out our indicators for today. The first one is a MACD. Let's configure it right away. Fast periods are gonna be 6, the slow one is 12, and keep the signal period as it 9. Or we better change it to 5. I think it's better in this case. Let's also choose the ZigZag. This indicator is gonna help us identify local highs and lows, just to make things a little easier for us. So today I'm gonna use these indicators and we're gonna drag this out any longer. Let's find the first currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Analyze the market and see what's going on the charts, and I think we should open a long positions here. I'll point out the workspace and explain the principle of the trade entry. We see the positive dynamics on the MACD, the reversal here, and these little green diagrams, the updating of the local lows, and basically the price should move upwards. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing, and I'm sure the breakout is gonna happen in the last seconds and our position should be in profits. As we can see, our first position has been closed with a profit, and there is no stopping here, guys. Let's continue our trading session, change the currency pair. And find the best trade entry for us. By the way, let's update the trade amount and let's analyze. Here we should also open a long position. Let me explain the principle of the trade entry. You can already see the positive dynamics on the MACD. The break of the local lows has also happened. Theoretically, after this downward movement, the price should go to the upside, because basically we can see that the flat movement dominates in the zone. And I think that after a little correction, the price should continue going up. Actually, the zigzag is really helpful here. We can easily navigate the trends. That why the explanation for the trade entries are not that complicated. Actually, we can simply focus on the positive dynamics on the MACD, and using these indicators in combination almost guarantee us good results. And our second position is again in profits. We got $584 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount and change the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's take a look. We gotta find a good payout trade. Oh, I think we should also open a long position here. Let me explain the principle of the trade entry. We see green diagram on the MACD. Also take a look at this crossing here. This is our bullish signal. Also the updating of the local low at this point, which is really good because the movement to the upside has just started. The support zone played out here at this level. And after this huge dump, I think the price should go to the upside and our position should end up in profits, guys. That's why we opened the long position. And we already see a strong breakout. The green diagram start to show up above the middle line, about zero, and our position is in profits like 100%. Good job, guys. There are more than $1,000 on the balance, so let's put down 1,000 in the trade amount and continue our trading. Let's find the better currency pair. So we see the updating of the local low is happening now on this currency pair. Let's wait for the closing of this candle and then make our decision. Doesn't look good for me. Let's change the currency pair. Let's open a long position here. We got 3 or 4 long positions in a row. We see this positive dynamics here. The crossing of the zero line is happening. Here's also the crossing of the moving averages, positive dynamics. The diagrams are in green. The updating of the local low did happen here. The price is very likely to go up. After this strong correction, I'm sure that the low volatility movement with the upward dynamics should take place here. That's why we open at a long position and there are literally 15 seconds left before the climax. And I think there is no more explanation required. Let's just wait, watch the candle movement. And there we go, another position has been closed in profits. Basically you can see the strategy works perfectly. It's not complicated at all, you don't even need technical analysis here. All you need to do is watch the price dynamics and the combination of these indicators with my settings performs quite well. So let's change the currency pairs. Let's open a long position here. The updating of local low has happened here. You can see that. Also the crossing of the moving averages and the positive dynamics on the MACD. We see a high volatility candle here. We can call it a small correction, after which the price should go to the upside. A new local high point should be formed here. That's why we opened the long position, guys. There are literally 25 seconds left before the closing. I'm absolutely fine with the price movement by now. We see a good trade entry level. The candle has good volatility and basically this is a strong signal and a confident trade entry. There are literally 5 seconds left. And our position has been closed in profit, guys. We got $2,850 on the balance. I think we'll open a few more trades, analyze our currency pairs and see what's gonna happen. And we'll try to find a good payout trade again. Let's open two short positions here, guys. I explain the principle of the trade entry. Look at this. We pay attention to the local lows again. The updating did happen. Then the updating of the local highs also happened. A very decent pullbacks to the upside, while this downward movement, the price has low volatility, more flat-like. If we look at the MACD, we can utilize red diagrams, and basically I think this is a peak level, the updating of the local high, after which the price should move downwards. Like I say, the price started going down. We have a nice trade entry level, and even the fact that the green candle show up can't ruin our positions. We got two more short positions in profits, guys. I think you got this trading principle, and also let's probably finish our trading session. However, let's consolidate our gains, find one more currency pair for the most profitable trade entry, guys. Now let's open 4 long positions here, guys. Following the uptrend, we count on this upward trend. The updating of the local high is about to happen after this pullback, and I think we caught a nice trade entry level because the price is gonna go up. Also, if we look at the MACD, we see the diagrams are in green. That indicates positive dynamics. We also see the crossing of the moving average here, after which the price is going to go up. Also, the updating of the local low, and all this almost guarantees that the price should go to the upside, and after this huge dump. We also take focus on this dump. The price is gonna go upwards, and even if we take a look at the price behavior in the past, we can point out the upward movement. That's why we open our long positions. And our position are in profits. We got $8,250 on our balance. By the way, we started from $150, if I'm not mistaken. So I hope you understood how to trade my strategy. And let's move on to withdrawal, as usual, to my Bitcoin wallet. Let it be $8,000. So our transaction is being processed. I'll attach the screen where it's done. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you grab it, some new knowledge from my video, some trading features. Also keep in mind my settings, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the like button, leave a comment down below. See you soon, traders. Bye bye.